One of the things that sets us apart, especially when we're talking about paint correction, is our lighting. And many shops have, plenty of LED lights and floodlights, and that does bring out some imperfections and it does illuminate the space. But what we have that sets us apart, and I don't think I've ever seen it in any other shop, is a space that is illuminated entirely by ColorMatch ScanGrip lights. And what those do is they are designed to enhance imperfections and swirls in the paint, making it easier to see and easier to remove defects. And the final product is better because the scratches and swirls are not obscured by the wrong type of lighting. And I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. Now, this is similar to those reflection shots you see by a lot of detailing shops. They'll show you like, oh, this is a reflection, but if the lighting is not correct, a reflection shot means nothing and could be obscuring these swirls that we're going to remove.